Hey everyone, it's the festive season and we've all been baking. And how about some healthy baking today? So today we will make a chocolate orange cake which is made of fresh orange juice and whole wheat flour, and we'll be using some substitutes that are low on calories. So let's get started. I hope you're excited. To make this, you need 350 grams of wheat flour, which is whole wheat flour. I have 400 ml of freshly squeezed orange juice. There is 200 grams of jaggery powder. You could use regular sugar if you want. Jaggery is just a slightly healthier version. I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 200 ml of yogurt, 120 ml of extra virgin coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and a handful or say about half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Let's start with the dry ingredients first. Add in the baking powder and then add in the baking soda. And now we'll sieve all of these 2 to 3 times. While I'm sieving this, I have also put my oven on heating at a 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. So you need the oven preheated before you put the cake batter in. You want to sieve this well because you don't want your cake to be too thick. Since wheat flour is a thicker flour, you need to really mix it well and get it aerated. This is done once. We'll do it a few more times so that it gets nice and airy. This is all done. Let's place this aside and now we'll mix wet ingredients. Take a bowl, add in the orange juice, the vanilla essence, the coconut oil, add in the yogurt. Give this a good mix. Use a whisker to get the uniformity with the curd or the yogurt. Now add in all of the jaggery and continue to whisk. This is well mixed, and now time to combine the dry and the wet batter. Take the dry batter and then slowly pour in all of the wet batter. And gently fold it in. You don't have to be too rigorous. It will be a thick batter, so that is okay. Hold it in one direction. If you have a spatula, you can use a spatula. Makes it easier to let go of the lumps. The lumps are all gone, and in this stage, I'm going to add in the chocolate chips and mix them well. Our batter is ready and now we will pour it into a baking pan. Take your baking dish, add in a parchment paper so this doesn't stick, your cake doesn't stick when it's all ready and baked. Spray some oil. And now let's add in the batter. Spread it evenly. And just place it into the oven for about 1 hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. There you go. The cake is all baked. I baked it for 1 hour and 5 minutes. Allow this to now completely cool for about 45 minutes before we cut this. And now it's time to cut the cake. There you go. This is amazing. The texture is super soft. So enjoy with a cup of hot coffee or tea this winter and tell me how it came out.